Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to turn on pre-edit option in Fortnite. So let's talk about what pre-edit option is firstly. So if I am editing this cone and I select these two tiles right here and I let go of my left mouse button, it doesn't edit still. I need to click on my edit option again to confirm it, and after that it edits. So with pre-edit option, if I just click on these two tiles and I let go of my mouse, it will edit. So to turn that on, you simply need to head over to this icon right here and go to settings and go to this icon again. Scroll down a bit until you see auto confirm edits. Turn this from none to edit and then click on apply. Now if we go back and we click onto this edit and I let go of my left mouse button, boom, it pre-edits. So that's how you guys can turn on pre-edit option in Fortnite. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. And also please comment down below what video you guys want us to do next, and we will simply do so. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.